Thank you very much, my teammate, my classmate also. This is Rivera Notaisire, and we have our homework about just to share our individual recordings in which we have the presentation and how we can also use the Quizlet Live. So now I have just prepared uh, a short presentation. I'm going to upload the presentation here. It's just about the WHO timeline about the COVID. I'm going to upload the presentation. And I think the presentation is there. Okay, you can see it. Thank you. So now, just I used my the timeline from the WHO website, and it's update. It's updated, and this is the first slide. You can see this, and I'm going to the second slide. It means that from this date, the 31st December 2019, Wuhan Municipal Health Commission in China reported a cluster of cases of pneumonia in Wuhan, and this was a novel coronavirus that was eventually identified. And I have also the second slide until I get the last one just at the end of January. So now, using the Quizlet, you know that having the just this is the website we have where Dr. Nelly created a class for us, and we have to create just a study set. I used also the timeline of WHO about the COVID, and here you can see the description. The description of this. I have to create the terms and their definitions in terms of cards. And here I have created just the cards. This is the card about the 31st December, and once you click on it, you will see the I don't know if you can see my screen. Okay, that's nice. It means that this is the first card. The second card is this one. Once you click on this, you will have this is the flashcards. So now, if you want, for example, to learn more about this, you will click on this one, and here, once you have this text, this is the definition. You can just correspond the dates. This is not correct. I can continue. If this one is in this one, and then continue. If I go back, as usual, I can take a test, like this. And I can write here, as you know. So here you can play with another game about matching. For example, if this date corresponds to this one, you will know. Another one you can see, you see? And Abdul, I thank you very much. This is very nice. And I thank you for watching my presentation. And next time I will try to, yes, I will try to improve. Thank you.